Welcome to the Travelman channel. Today we're visiting Lake Entrance in Victoria, Australia. A beautiful coastal town where the lakes meet the ocean and the scenery changes gently from wide open water to soft sandy beaches and quiet bushland. This journey takes you through aerial views of the lakes, scenic coastal drives, local wildlife, and hidden camping spots nearby. From above, Lake Entrance opens up into a wide and beautiful network of water and land. The drone rises slowly over the shoreline, revealing the natural opening that connects the lakes to the ocean. The surface of the water shifts between soft blues and light green shades, depending on the depth and the angle of the sun. Lake Entrance sits at the gateway to the Gippsland Lakes, one of the largest inland water systems in Australia. These lakes stretch across a huge area and connect rivers, wetlands, and coastal inlets, creating an important environment for boating, fishing, and wildlife. The long sand barrier separating the lakes from the open ocean becomes clearly visible from above. This narrow strip of beach is what gives Lake Entrance its unique identity, creating two very different watersides within the same town. The view from the sky shows how open and spacious this place truly is, where water, sky, and land meet without feeling crowded. From the air, small boats can be seen resting quietly along the jetties, while houses line the edge of the water in gentle curves. The town blends naturally into the landscape, shaped by the lake rather than built over it. The drive through Lake Entrance offers constant views of water, open skies, and relaxed coastal streets. Quiet neighborhoods, cafes, and small local shops appear along the road, creating a welcoming and laid-back atmosphere. Footpaths follow the shoreline, where people walk slowly, stop for photos, or sit facing the water. As the road moves closer to the coast, the scenery opens wider. The beach stretches along the horizon, and gentle waves roll in behind the dunes. Toward the end of the drive, the light begins to soften. The sun drops lower and the sky turns warm and golden. Reflections shimmer across the lake behind and the ocean ahead, creating a glowing frame around the town. This moment captures the true character of lake entrance, where the day slows naturally and the scenery becomes even more inviting. Australian pelicans gather quietly near the water's edge, resting and moving slowly along the shoreline. The drone remains at a safe distance and stays high, allowing the birds to remain undisturbed. These pelicans can become stressed if approached too closely, and protecting their space is important. From above, their size becomes very clear. Australian pelicans are among the largest flying birds in the world, with wide wings and long, powerful beaks. They move gently across the shallow water, often resting together in small groups. This area provides an ideal habitat for feeding and shelter, making lake entrance an important location for local birdlife. Watching them from a distance highlights how closely the town and its wildlife share the same environment. The landscape gradually changes as the road leads toward Kalimna West and the quiet bushland surrounding Log Crossing. Buildings fade away and tall trees begin to surround the road. The atmosphere becomes more remote and natural, with only the sound of wind and distant birds breaking the silence. Log Crossing is a simple bush camping area located near lake entrance. For anyone planning to stay here, it is important to be well prepared. The only facility available is a toilet. There are no powered sites, no water supply, and no shops nearby. A small number of fire pits can be found in the area, depending on seasonal conditions and local rules. Campers must always check fire restrictions before using them. This campsite is ideal for people seeking an off-grid experience, surrounded by forest and away from busy tourist areas. It offers a chance to reconnect with nature in a raw and untouched setting. Further inland, the small town of Buchan comes into view. From above, the town appears gently spread across open land, framed by trees and low hills. Streets run quietly between modest homes, and green spaces surround the community on all sides. Buchan is known for its natural environment and its close connection to nearby caves and forest landscapes. The aerial view highlights how closely the town is woven into its surroundings, rather than standing apart from them. The slower rhythm of this area is easy to sense from the sky. The road toward Buchan Caves winds through greener countryside, with taller trees and cooler air becoming more noticeable along the way. This region is home to the famous Buchan limestone caves, which attract visitors from across Victoria and beyond. Guided tours allow people to explore underground chambers shaped by water over millions of years. Nearby, the Buchan campsite offers a comfortable and well-known place for travelers who wish to stay close to the caves and surrounding forest walks. The setting is ideal for relaxed mornings, short bush walks and quiet evenings surrounded by nature. It creates a natural balance to the coastal scenery seen earlier in the journey. Thank you for joining this journey through Lake Entrance, Kalimna West, Log Crossing, and Buchan. From wide aerial views over the lakes and coastline, to gentle wildlife encounters, remote bush camping and peaceful country towns, this part of Victoria offers a beautifully varied travel experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Travel Man channel for more adventures and inspiring destinations from around the globe.